Hello guys, this is Cascadia 2015. Today we are going to change a CPC. This is the most common problem with the Detroit Freightliners. So this truck was keep on losing power and shutting down every like 5 minutes, 6 minutes. So I find out that the CPC is gone. So we are going to change the CPC. To change the CPC, this is the panel you need to remove. Just remove this 4 of them and 2 of them this, and pull it this way and take it out. Make some room for yourself. So the CPC is this is a CPC. This is a CPC. Just you need to pull it down. Little hard, you need to pull down. Okay, there you go. So this is a CPC. Just unplug them. You can unplug the any wire like that, because they won't fit in each other, so they always go like that. You can remove them. You don't need to take a picture or anything. Just you can just remove them like that. So remove that and take it to the dealer. They're gonna reprogram your CPC. They're gonna give you a new one, and they're gonna do the programming, and just bring it back, put the plugs back in, and then push it up. This is just a clip, so you can push up and the CPC will be installed. So you don't need to do anything extra, nothing to do. Just you have to take it to the dealers, this CPC, for the programming. So thank you for watching my video. If this helped you, you can send me thanks, or you can like my video and comment, so I will know that my videos are helping to the people. Thank you so much.